Now I'd like to take a look at scale snapping. Now scale snapping allows you to snap to a percentage of the original scale of your object. And just like with placement snapping and rotation snapping, this is all handled by holding the control keys. So I'm going to tap the R key to grab my scale tool, and holding control as I scale, if you look really closely, we're getting kind of a snap sort of value. And if you take a look over inside the inspector, my Z scale is going up by 1/10 of a full scale unit. And if I scale up uniformly instead, you see we get that kind of snap felt there as well. Now let's undo all of that and let's take a look at how we can set this snapping value. If we go underneath the edit menu, we can jump down to snap settings and we can see the scale increment currently set to 0.1. We could, for instance, set this to 0.5, then close the window, and now if we were to hold down control and scale up, we go up by 1/2 increments. So basically a 50% increment. Each time we drag forward, we snap up by half the size. So that's really all there is to it. It's a very, very simple setting, very easy to access, and that is going to wrap things up for this video. Thank you for watching.